bell part, chime part, best day of my life. You're starting off with the third string open, which is a C, and then you're playing the octave of that C, just 8 notes up the scale, 3rd fret of your A string. And then the open A string and the G note, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Here it is starting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 of those in total that make up this bell chime part. On the last one, you go to the 7th fret of your 1st string, an E note, to finish it all off. That's going to land on beat 1, so you're actually following the other parts through. Make sure that you're letting this G note ring out for 5 beats total as you're playing along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that goes right back into the intro if you're playing the just right on beat 1. Otherwise, just rest and prepare to sing. Woo, woo, woo. Have fun.